Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green. Thank you for watching our latest quick tip on lawn health. So, a lot of times we'll get asked the question, can my lawn be saved? Do I just need to give up on it? Most of the time our answer is no, we can save it. We just need to treat it. We'll get rid of the grassy weeds, and then eventually the Bermuda will come back in. So for a lawn like this, what you can see is there's a lot of Bermuda that's mixed in here, and the grassy weeds are sprinkled throughout. And what we could do is to fertilize this, water it correctly, uh, kill out or have somebody dig out the grassy weeds, and eventually this lawn actually would look good. The entire yard doesn't need to be replaced. There are some patches where, as we get further in, where you can see the grassy weeds have just completely choked out the Bermuda. You can see that in here. You can see that here, but there are a lot of areas where if the grassy weeds are treated, they're just kind of sprinkled throughout. And this area really, actually, the only thing that is missing is a little bit of watering and good fertilizing, and this lawn would actually fill in and look really good. This is Ken with Village Green. If you need help with your lawn or with your plant health, please give us a call. If you like these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Ken with Village Green, local experience you can trust.